back, you should buy keys. We're live on crypto.com, so we're going to be checking out these updates on the security report. So, this as a result of the recent hack that was done on crypto.com. So, it says crypto.com security report and next steps. So, following the 17th of January security incident, we are sharing our findings together with enhancements we've made to our security infrastructure and the introduction of the worldwide account protection program. Wow. So summary says on 17 January 2022, Crypto.com learned that a small number of users had unauthorized crypto withdrawals on their account. So Crypto.com promptly suspended withdrawals for all tokens to initiate an investigation and worked around the clock to address this issue. So no customers experienced the loss of funds. In the majority of cases, we prevented the unauthorized withdrawal, and in all other cases, customers were fully reimbursed. So the incident affected 483 Crypto.com users. Unauthorized withdrawals totaled 4,836.26 ETH, 443.93 BTC, and approximately $66,200 in other cryptocurrencies. So what happened on Monday, 17 January 2022 at approximately 12:46 a.m. UTC, Crypto.com's risk monitoring system detected unauthorized activity on a small number of user accounts where transactions were being approved without the two-factor authentication control being imputed to the user. This triggered an immediate response from multiple teams to assess the impact all withdrawals on the platform were suspended for the duration of the investigation. All accounts found to be impacted were fully restored. Crypto.com revoked all customer 2FA tokens and added additional security admin measures, which required all customers to re-log in and set up their 2FA token to ensure only authorized activity would occur. The downtime of the withdrawal infrastructure was approximately 14 hours, and withdrawals were resumed at 5:46 p.m. UTC, 18 January 2022. So looking at what Crypto.com do to correct these problems, in the abundance of caution, we revamped and migrated to a completely new 2FA structure. 2FA tokens for all users worldwide were subsequently revoked to ensure the new infrastructure was in effect. We have mandatory 2FA policies on both the front end and back end to protect users during this revocation phase, as outflows such as withdrawals have a requirement to set up and use 2FA in order to withdraw. Crypto.com introduced an additional layer of security on 18 January to add a mandatory 24-hour delay between registration of a new whitelisted withdrawal address and first withdrawal users. The users will receive notification that withdrawal addresses have been added to give them adequate time to react and respond. Notification message will provide useful reminders and instructions on contacting our team if the address whitelisting was unauthorized. So a full audit of the entire infrastructure has been conducted internally with a number of improvements being implemented to further adding the security posture. While Crypto.com already performs internal and external penetration tests, CDC has immediately engaged with third-party security firms to perform additional security checks on our platform, as well as initiating additional threat intelligence services. So CDC will be releasing additional end-user security features as we move away from two-factor authentication and through multi-factor authentication (MFA), providing a deterrent for our global user base. So CDC is introducing the Worldwide Account Protection Program app. App offers additional protection and security for all users and in crypto.com and crypto.com exchange. So guys, this is it. You want to check out these articles. It's currently a little bit lengthy, but it's very beneficial, guys. So to qualify for the app program, users must enable multi-factor authentication on all transaction types where MFA is currently available, set up anti-phishing code, not be using jailbroken devices, file a police report and provide a copy of it to CDC, and complete questionnaire to support forensic investigations. So this is basically it. Now, if we say that Crypto.com is a leader in security and compliance, including a recent SOC 2 announcement, such said Jason Lau, said Chief Information Security Officer at Crypto.com. While our goal is to prevent any security breaches, our industry-leading insurance policy and worldwide account protection programs offer our customers additional protections in various instances when there is an incident. So terms and conditions may vary by market according to local regulations. Crypto.com will make the final determination of eligibility, requirements, and approval of claims. App will begin rolling out in select markets starting from 1st February 2022. So guys, that's one of the updates on the recent hack on crypto.com. So guys, let us know what you feel. We hope this update is beneficial. Akahilz, stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe for more updates, guys. Peace out and more love.